ఈ చిన్న గేమ్ని అందరూ ఆడతారు. బట్ కోడర్స్కి రాక్ పేపర్ సిజర్ గేమ్ అనేది ఒక గోల్డ్ మైన్ టు లర్న్ రియల్ కోడింగ్. కోడర్ జర్నీలో బిగినర్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి లాజిక్, కండిషన్స్, ర్యాండమ్నెస్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ జీవోని నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ది పర్ఫెక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఈ సింపుల్ గేమ్లో ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్, ర్యాండమ్ మోడల్స్, ఫంక్షన్స్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ యూజర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం ఉంటుంది. సో గేమ్ మాత్రమే కాదు, ఈ ప్రాజెక్టు మీకు ఫుల్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్తుంది. మరి ఎలా బిల్డ్ చేయాలి, స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. లెట్స్ కోడ్ అండ్ రన్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫన్ బిగినర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. హాయ్ గాయ్స్, మై నేమ్ ఇస్ విజయ్ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు టెక్ విత్ విజయ్. Step 1. Open the command prompt and type Jupyter Notebook. I can write cool and catchy names for rock, paper, scissor game. This is our aim in this project. First of all, we need to install Colorama. Colorama is classify the rock, paper, scissor games modules. I already installed it in my Jupyter Notebook. Python code. First step is import random and import time. These are two steps we need to install it. From Colorama, import to init, 4, style. Initialize Colorama. Init, the parentheses I can write to auto reset equal to true. I can use def display intro. The intro I can write print. The parentheses I can write to 4 dot can, that means CYAN. Plus I can write in the new line, welcome to rock, paper, scissor unlimited ASCII edition. That means it can display the mods 1 best of 3, mod 2 best of 5, mod 3 endless game. If user press exit, that time the game is exist. Can write def get game mode. The parentheses I can write, I can use while loop. Why I can use while loop? Because of while true, print mode equal to input. In input I can choose game mode 1, 2, 3 to strip divided the game mode. If mode in 1, 2, 3, I can write in string methods, not integer type. I can write in string methods. Return into mode. Print to force dot ret is invalid mode. Choose 1 or 2 or 3. That means you can click 4 or 5. You can give invalid mode. Then I can write def get choice. The choice I can write rock, paper, scissors. While true, player choice equal to input dot 4 dot blue. Your choice is rock, paper or scissor. Strip dot lower. I can do write in lower functions. If player choice equal to scissor and player choice equal to scissors. If player choice in options, computer choice equal to random choice. In the choice I can write options. That means computer choose whatever they want. They can choose rock, they can choose paper, and they can choose scissor. Return player choice, computer choice. Print red invalid choice, try again. This is a display choice, art equal to rock. This is a symbol of rock and this is a symbol of paper and this symbol of scissors. The 3 steps we can write in this code. Return art choice. That means whatever you want to do, they can display the result. Def check result. In the result I can write to player, computer. Which equal to, this is the rules, rock, scissor. If user choice scissor, then computer choice paper means. If computer choice is paper and user choice is rock, computer wins. Print 4 dot green. In the parentheses I can write to player, display choice player, computer choice computer, display choice of the parentheses I can write computer. This is a basic logic using the print. I can write in F strings, because F strings display the same result but it can give the accurate ones compared to normal print statement. If player choice equal to computer choice, that means the game is tie. ELIF player means if wins of player equal to computer, return win, else return loss. That means if computer means it can return computer wins, nor it can return player wins. These are the modes. Def play round. The play round I can write to player comma computer equal to get choice. Print the new line rock, and I can give time dot sleep is 0.7. In the same I can write to print paper time dot sleep I can write 0.7. Print scissors time dot sleep is 0.7. Print short time dot sleep is 0.4. If result equal to check result, the parenthesis I can write to player comma computer. If result equal to tie, I can print yellow, I can write second and it's a tie. If result equal to win, I can write, I can check the green mark and I say that you win the round, else you lose the round. Return result. Def play game. The playgram I can write to display intro. In the intro I can write mode equal to get game mode. Target score equal to 1:2, 2:3 or 3:, float of inference. In inference I can write mode options. If player score equal to 0 and computer score equal to 0, that means round number equal to 1. While true. Print to 4.scan plus in the F strings I can write round number. Result equal to player round, then I can write round number equal to round number equal to 1. That means round number equal to round number plus 1. If result equal to win, player score equal to player score plus 1. If result equal to loss, computer score equal to computer score plus 1. Print force dot magenta plus the F strings I can write to score. U means the player score minus computer score, then computer. If mode not equal to 3 and player score equal to target score, or computer score equal to target score, if this statement is true, I can break the condition. If mode equal to 3, count equal to input dot scan the player around the another player want another round. I can press Y, it means yes. I print no, the game is over. I can use step dot lower. Well, this is the complete rock paper scissors game. Break. This is a complete segment. I can run this code. Look at this. Welcome to Rock Paper Scissors Ultimate ASCII Edition. These are 3 editions. Mode 1 best of 3, mode 2 best of 5, mode 3 endless. I can give 1, that means best of 3. Round number. I can choose my choice is paper. You scroll down. Computer choice is scissor. That means computer wins. I lost the game. We lost this round. Score 0,1. Computer leads. Round 2. Still I can write paper. I choose paper. Computer choose scissor. That means you lost this round. 0-2. Final result. The computer win the game. Thanks for playing. That's it. This is a complete working code video. If you have any doubts, please tell me in the comment box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Vijay for more awesome and data science and intelligent videos guys. Bye.